Today on Nerdalyfic, we're going to look at how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. If you have one single column worth of data and you know for a fact that there's going to be duplicates and you want to remove those duplicates, I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is highlight the entire range of data that you would like to remove the duplicates in. Then you go in your menu, Data, under the Data Tools section, and Remove Duplicates. A window will ask you to select which columns that you would like to remove your duplicates in. Now we've only highlighted one column, so of course there is only one thing to select. Excel automatically knows that there is a title, so it is calling this column Item, which is the title of this column. All you need to do is click on OK, and it will tell you how many duplicates were found and removed and how many unique items are left. So we click on OK, and voila, there is only 5 unique items. Now what happens if you have multiple columns? This list is the exact same list of items, however, there is an additional column of data which is just the date. So we kind of want to do the same thing. I'm going to show you a little bit differently. We're going to start with the column headings, and we're going to scroll down. We'll go back up to Data and Remove Duplicates. Now you can see both columns in the selection. Now if you want to include the first row here, which is the titles, you would unselect this My Data Has Headers, and it will include these two titles in the removing of the duplicates. However, we don't want to remove our titles, so we're going to keep that in there. Now, we only want to remove duplicate item numbers. We don't want to remove duplicate dates. So let's unselect the date and leave the item there. And when we click OK, it did the exact same thing. However, it also deleted whatever data was in the column connected to that specific row. It has been completely removed off of the list. The same thing would happen if you had multiple columns of data that you want to stay connected to those item numbers. If you remove the duplicates in that entire section just for the item number, the entire sheet row is removed. Something to keep in mind. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us on Nerdalyfic, and we'll see you next time.